Hi everyone, Yavar here from VPMA. In this video, we're going to go over how we can download and install the Control-M for Databases plugin. The Control-M for Databases plugin extends Control-M's scheduling power to your database environment. With this plugin, you can connect to a wide range of databases such as MS SQL, Oracle, Postgres, or any database that has a JDBC driver. Once connected, you can define and monitor database jobs such as SQL scripts, stored procedures, SSIS packages, and even embedded queries directly within your Control-M environment. After installation, you can create database jobs in Control-M and apply all of Control-M's scheduling capabilities such as advanced calendars, dependencies, SLAs, variables, and really integrate your database processes with any other job type in your environment. This means, for example, a stored procedure can trigger a file transfer job after a successful completion, or an SSIS package can be linked into a larger workflow alongside application and cloud processes, all in a single scheduling environment. Before we get started with the download and installation of this plugin, there are a few prerequisites that we need to make sure are met. Our Control-M Enterprise Manager, Server, and Agent need to be version 9.19 or higher, and we need to download and install this plugin on a host that already has a Control-M agent installed, and this host should also have access to whichever database that we're trying to connect to. Now, with that being said, in order to download the Control-M for Databases plugin, we want to navigate over to BMC's website. Once here, we want to go all the way down to Downloads, Product Download Tool, and here it may ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. So go ahead and log in. And from here, we want to go into the search bar and simply search for databases. It should be the first option that you see, Control-M for Databases. So we can click on it. Version, we can select the latest version here. Now we want to filter for our platform. So for me, it's going to be Windows, since I'm installing this plugin on a Windows agent. And we want to download the version with the latest Fixpack. So for me, it's going to be version 9.21 Fixpack 300 for Windows 64-bit. So you can simply click download, and I'm not going to go ahead and download it. I already have an instance of this. You can download the installation files for the plugin and place them in a temp folder like I have here. Now that we have our Control-M for Databases plugins installation files in our temp folder, we want to simply right-click, run as administrator. It should take a moment here to extract, and you should get this pop-up here. So in this pop-up, if we are installing the plugin for the first time, we want to go ahead and select new installation. Of course, if we're upgrading the plugin from a previous version, then we want to select upgrade. But in this case, since it is a new install, we want to go ahead and have new installation selected. Next. And now our installation is in progress. And now we've successfully installed the Control-M for Databases plugin. Now, if we navigate over to our Control-M environment, we can confirm that this installation was in fact successful. To do so, we want to open up our Control-M environment, navigate over to the Configuration Manager, go to Agents, and here we can filter for all of the agents that have the Databases plugin installed. So when we select the databases, we can see in fact that we have our YKN MSS SQL agent that we just installed our Control-M Databases plugin on. In the next video, we're going to go over how to create connection profiles for our Databases plugin and how to schedule database jobs in Control-M. Thanks for watching.